This practical is a demonstration of the compound microscope. What are microscopes? Microscopes are instruments that are used in science laboratories to visualize very minute objects such as cells, microorganisms, giving a contrasting image that is magnified. Microscopes are made up of lenses for magnification, each with their own magnification powers. Depending on the type of lens, it will magnify the specimen according to its focal strength. Their ability to function is because they have been constructed with special components that enable them to achieve high magnification levels. They can view very small specimens and distinguish their structural differences. For example, the view of animal and plant cells, viewing of microscopic bacterial cells. There are three structural parts of the microscope, that is the head, base and arm. Head. This is also known as the body. It carries the optical parts in the upper part of the microscope. Base. It acts as microscope support. It also carries the microscopic illuminators. And arms. This is the part connecting the base to the head and the eyepiece tube to the base or to the head of the microscope, and it also used when carrying the microscope. Now let us discuss the different parts of the microscope and their functions. The first part is the eyepiece. This is also known as the ocular. This is the part used to look through the microscope. It's found at the top of the microscope. Its standard magnification is 10x with an optional eyepiece having magnifications from 5x to 30x. The next part is the eyepiece tube. It's the eyepiece holder. It carries the eyepiece just above the objective lens. In some microscopes, such as the binoculars, the eyepiece tube is flexible and can be rotated for maximum visualization. After that, the next part is the objective lens. These are the major lenses used for specimen visualization. They have a magnification power of 40x to 100x. There are about 1 to 4 objective lenses placed on one microscope, in that some are rear facing and others face forward. Next part is the nose piece, also known as the revolving turnet. It holds the objective lenses. It is movable, hence it's called the revolving objective lenses depending on the magnification power of the lens. The next part is the stage. This is the section on which the specimen is placed for viewing. They have stage clips that hold the specimen slides in place. The most common stage is a mechanical stage, which allows the control of the slides by moving the slides using the mechanical knobs on the stage instead of moving it manually. Next part of the microscope is the microscopic illuminator. This is the microscope's light source located at the base. It is used instead of a mirror. It captures light from the external source of a low voltage of about 100 volt. Next, the diaphragm. The diaphragm is also known as the iris. It's found under the stage of the microscope, and its primary role is to control the amount of light that reaches the specimen. It's an adjustable apparatus, hence controlling the light intensity and the size of the beam of the light that gets to the specimen.